Hello AI enthusiasts, beginners, and professionals. Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing concept in the realm of artificial intelligence, Agentic AI. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Agentic AI is, its key characteristics, and its potential impact on the future of AI. Let's dive in. First, let's define what Agentic AI is. Agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence systems designed to operate as autonomous agents. These agents can make decisions, take actions, and interact with their environment without continuous human intervention. Imagine a smart assistant that not only responds to your commands, but also anticipates your needs and acts proactively. That's the essence of Agentic AI. Agentic AI systems possess several key characteristics that distinguish them from other AI types. Let's break these down. 1. Autonomy. Agentic AI systems can operate independently, making decisions and taking actions without needing constant human supervision. 2. Proactivity. These agents don't just react to commands, they anticipate needs and act proactively to achieve their goals. 3. Adaptability. Agentic AI can adapt to new information and changing environments, learning from experiences to improve its performance. 4. Goal-oriented behavior. These agents are designed to achieve specific goals, optimizing their actions to maximize success. Now, let's explore how Agentic AI works. These systems are typically built using several core components. Perception. The AI agent gathers information from its environment using sensors or data inputs. This information is crucial for making informed decisions. Decision-making. Based on the perceived information, the agent uses algorithms and models to make decisions. This process involves evaluating possible actions and selecting the best one. Action. The AI agent executes the chosen action, interacting with its environment to achieve its goals. Learning. Over time, the agent learns from its experiences, refining its decision-making and actions to improve performance. Agentic AI has a wide range of applications across various industries. Let's look at a few examples. 1. Autonomous vehicles. One of the most prominent applications is in autonomous vehicles. These vehicles use Agentic AI to perceive their surroundings, make driving decisions, and navigate safely without human intervention. 2. Healthcare. In healthcare, Agentic AI can assist in patient monitoring and personalized treatment plans. For example, AI agents can monitor vital signs and alert healthcare professionals to any anomalies, ensuring timely interventions. 3. Finance. In the financial sector, Agentic AI is used for automated trading and fraud detection. These agents can analyze market data and execute trades or monitor transactions for suspicious activity, improving efficiency and security. 4. Smart homes. Agentic AI powers many smart home devices, from thermostats that learn your preferences to security systems that monitor and react to potential threats. These agents make homes more convenient, energy efficient, and secure. 5. Customer service. AI agents in customer service can handle inquiries, provide support, and even resolve issues autonomously, enhancing customer satisfaction and reducing workload on human agents. While Agentic AI offers numerous benefits, it also presents challenges and ethical considerations. Trust and reliability. Ensuring that AI agents make reliable and trustworthy decisions is crucial, especially in critical applications like healthcare and autonomous driving. Ethical decision-making. AI agents must be programmed to make ethical decisions, particularly in situations where human lives are impacted. This raises questions about how to embed ethical principles in AI systems. Privacy concerns. As these agents often collect and analyze personal data, ensuring privacy and data security is paramount. Developers must implement robust privacy safeguards. In summary, Agentic AI represents a significant advancement in artificial intelligence, enabling systems to operate autonomously, proactively, and adaptively. From autonomous vehicles to smart homes, the applications of Agentic AI are vast and transformative. However, as we advance, it's essential to address the challenges and ethical considerations to ensure these technologies benefit society responsibly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to AI Foundation Learning for more insights into the world of AI and LLMs. Feel free to leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.